Bantwana basekhaya, Malcom X once said, when you teach a man, you teach an individual. When you teach people, you teach a nation. But when you give new information to the black man, black people, you better be easy with the information you give, because we have been misinformed for the past 400 years. This is a quote that I always meditate on when I'm about to sit like this and share an information that I know ukuthi le ayizungena kakuhle ezindlebeni zabantu bakuthi because ayingeneki kamnandi. Remember, as a teacher, you also have to understand that you do not seek validation, nor are you seeking applause. Awuzelanga zokuqwatyelwa apha. Uzothetha lento izokuthethwa ugqiba udlule. Say what needs to be said. Those who are gonna come and assassinate your character, trying to dissect lento bafuna uyibona bakuthuke nangamazinyo angekhoyo, why you saying this, why ungayolungisa izinyo. Understand that this is a rebellion against the information le uzanayo bangayaziyo. Mntasekhaya, on the past few weeks I spoke about knowing thyself beyond institutions, icawe nendoni. You saw the rebellion on that post. Namhlanje, not so long ago, this week, I saw a guy that's speaking about you must be able to start with yourself. Uyeke uqale yokwakha kowenu, uqala wakhe wena. That's why sine legacy ye poverty singabantu abamnyama, because sesibaleke siyolungisa emakhaya qala sithintini, which we know abantu abamnyama they will never receive that well. Now as a teacher you must be able to handle that. Uyeke back and forth ubuphikisana nayo. Plant the seed. As long as the seed has been planted, umuntu uzakuva wena ba uze ngantoni na. This is the time of information that has been suppressed for us abantu abamnyama for 400 years or more. Bethunani. This is the time where spiritual awakening, the time of knowing, not believing. I saw also another post where someone was speaking about ancestors, where she said people are believing in ancestors and they are worshiping ancestors, and she even quoted the Bible, that young child. And I wanted to stress on this, Betunan. We do not believe in ancestors. I do not believe in ancestors. I know that